Welcome. It's time to let go of the day and gently drift into a deep, restorative sleep. This guided body scan meditation is designed to help you release physical tension and quiet your busy mind. There's nothing you need to do, nothing you need to achieve. Simply allow yourself to be here in this moment, ready for rest. Find a comfortable position in your bed. Allow your body to settle. You can gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling your belly rise. And as you exhale, release the breath with a soft sigh, letting go of anything you're holding on to. One more time, a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and a long, slow breath out, feeling your body grow heavier, sinking deeper into the mattress. Now, bring your awareness to your feet. Start with your toes. Notice the sensations there. Perhaps you feel the fabric of your blanket or the temperature of the air. You don't need to change anything, just notice. Gently invite your toes to soften, to let go. Feel this wave of relaxation move into the soles of your feet, releasing any tightness. Let it flow into your heels, your ankles, allowing your feet to become completely limp and heavy. They have carried you through the day, and now they can rest. This gentle wave of relaxation now moves upward into your lower legs, your calves, your shins. Feel the muscles softening, releasing. Imagine all the tension just melting away like ice on a warm day. Let this feeling of release continue into your knees, dissolving any strain. Your legs are becoming wonderfully heavy and deeply relaxed. Bring your attention now to your upper legs, your thighs, your hamstrings. These are large, strong muscles that work so hard. Give them permission to let go completely. Feel them becoming soft, heavy, and completely supported by the bed beneath you. Allow this soothing sensation to spread through your hips and your pelvic area. Release any holding, any clenching. Just let go. Feel a sense of spaciousness and ease spreading through your lower body. Now, let this warmth and heaviness travel into your lower back. This is an area where we often hold so much stress. Imagine a warm, gentle light spreading across your lower back, soothing and releasing every muscle. Feel it expanding, moving up your spine, vertebra by vertebra. Your entire back is softening, sinking deeper into relaxation. The muscles along your spine are letting go, creating a feeling of profound ease. Let your awareness drift to your stomach and your chest. Notice the gentle rise and fall with each breath. Let your belly be soft. As you exhale, release any tension you might be holding here. Feel your chest open and relaxed. Your breath is flowing effortlessly, calmly. Each breath guides you deeper and deeper into a state of peace. This wave of relaxation now flows down into your hands. Bring your awareness to your fingers. Notice the sensations there, perhaps a tingling or a feeling of warmth. Let your fingers soften and curl naturally. Feel this relaxation spread into your palms, the backs of your hands, and into your wrists. Your hands can now be completely at rest. Let this soothing feeling travel up your forearms, into your elbows, and into your upper arms. Your arms are heavy, limp, and deeply relaxed, resting by your sides. Bring your attention to your shoulders. We carry so much weight here. Consciously allow your shoulders to drop, to release, to melt away from your ears. Feel the tension dissolving, flowing down your arms and out through your fingertips. Let your neck muscles soften. Release any tightness in the back of your neck and the sides of your neck. Your head feels comfortably supported by your pillow. Now bring your awareness to your face. Let your jaw unclench. Allow a little space between your upper and lower teeth. Let your lips part slightly. Feel your cheeks soften. Let the tiny muscles around your eyes release. Allow your eyelids to feel heavy and smooth. Let your eyebrows drift apart and feel your forehead become completely smooth and free of tension. A sense of calm washes over your entire face. Finally, bring your awareness to the very top of your head. Imagine a final wave of relaxation washing down from the crown of your head, over your entire body, all the way down to the tips of your toes. Your whole body is now in a state of deep, profound rest. Heavy, calm, and peaceful. There is nothing to do, nowhere to be, just this moment of pure tranquility. Your mind is quiet, your body is at ease, you are safe, you are ready for sleep. As you continue to breathe gently, allow my voice to fade into the background. Let the stillness and the silence carry you into a deep and restful slumber. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to the sensation of your breath, the gentle rise and fall. Each breath is a soft wave, rocking you gently to sleep. You have done enough for today. It is time to rest. Sleep well. Dream peacefully.